how to achieve a soft and healthy hands and feet. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about hand and foot care. Taking care of our hands and feet is often overlooked in our daily routine, but it's important to maintain good hygiene and keep them healthy. The impact of neglecting hand and foot care goes beyond just physical appearance. Poor hand and foot hygiene can also lead to the spread of germs and infections, causing health issues. By following a few best practices, we can maintain soft, supple skin and avoid pain and discomfort. Let's start. Hand care. First, why hand care is important. Our hands are exposed to a lot of dirt and bacteria on a daily basis. We are touching things, washing dishes, and typing away to keyboards, so it's only fair that we show them some love and attention. Hand care is essential for maintaining healthy, soft, and attractive hands. Proper hand care can also prevent common issues like dryness, rough skin, and cracked nails. Regular hand washing. Wash your hands with a gentle, moisturizing soap and warm water regularly, especially after using the restroom, before eating, and after touching potentially contaminated surfaces. Remember to avoid hot water. Hot water can strip your skin of its natural oils. Use lukewarm water for hand washing to prevent excessive dryness. Exfoliate. Occasionally exfoliate your hands to remove dead skin cells, improve the texture of your skin, and make your hands look and feel smoother. You can use a gentle exfoliating scrub or make your own using ingredients like sugar and olive oil. Use hand sanitizer. When you can't access soap and water, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol content to disinfect your hands. Consider the size and packaging of the sanitizer. Smaller, portable bottles are convenient for on-the-go use, while larger bottles are suitable for home or office use. Some sanitizers come in spray or gel form, so choose the one that you find most convenient. But it's important to limit hand sanitizer use. Excessive use can dry out your hands. Use them when necessary, but prioritize hand washing when possible. Moisturize. Apply a good quality hand cream or lotion after washing your hands. Choosing a good hand cream is important to keep your hands moisturized and healthy, especially if you frequently use hand sanitizers or wash your hands frequently. Look for products with ingredients like shea butter, glycerin, cocoa butter, or ceramides for extra hydration. Consider your skin type. If you have sensitive skin, look for hand creams that are fragrance-free and formulated for sensitive skin. If you have specific concerns like dryness, eczema, or aging skin, choose a hand cream designed to address those issues. Stay hydrated. Drink enough water throughout the day to keep your skin, including your hands, hydrated from the inside. Healthy diet. A balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can promote healthy skin, including your hands. Protect from harsh elements. Wear gloves when doing household chores, gardening, or working with chemicals to protect your hands from harsh substances and UV rays. Use sunscreen. Just like the rest of our skin, our hands need protection from the sun's harmful rays. Apply a sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to the top of your hands to avoid any sun damage. Trim nails. Carefully. Taking care of our nails is crucial for overall hand health. Keep your nails clean and trimmed to prevent dirt and bacteria buildup. Use a nail file to shape them gently to smooth out any rough edges, but be careful not to file too much as it can weaken your nails, and avoid cutting them too short. Avoid nail biting. Nail biting can damage the skin around your nails and increase the risk of infections. Massage. Massaging your hands can improve blood circulation and relax the muscles. You can use a moisturizing cream or oil for a more soothing experience. Remember that consistent hand care is key to maintaining soft and healthy hands. Tailor your hand care routine to your specific needs, and don't forget to pay attention to your nails and cuticles as well. If you have specific skin conditions or concerns, consider consulting a dermatologist for personalized advice and treatment options. Next is foot care. Your feet carry the weight of your body every day, yet they are often the most neglected part of our body. Similar to how you take care of your hands, your feet also need attention. Foot care is essential for maintaining healthy and comfortable feet. Neglecting foot care can lead to various issues such as dry skin, calluses, cracked heels, fungal infections, and more. Regular cleaning. Wash your feet daily with warm water and mild soap. Make sure to thoroughly clean between your toes and dry them completely, as moisture can promote fungal growth. Moisturize. Apply a foot-specific moisturizer or a thick, hydrating cream to your feet daily, especially after washing them. Massage it in circular motions, paying extra attention to the heels and any dry areas, especially after washing them. Pay extra attention to dry areas like the heels. Foot soaks. Soak your feet in warm water with Epsom salts or a few drops of essential oils for relaxation and to soften the skin. This can be especially beneficial after a long day on your feet. Exfoliate. Use a gentle foot scrub or a pumice stone to remove dead skin cells and calluses. Do this after soaking your feet in warm water to soften the skin. Foot powder. Use foot powder or antifungal powder to help keep your feet dry and prevent fungal infections, especially if you have sweaty feet. Trim your toenails. Proper nail care is essential for healthy feet. Trim your toenails straight across to prevent ingrown toenails. Avoid cutting them too short, as this can lead to pain and infection. Use a good quality nail file to shape them and gently push back the cuticles. Proper footwear. Wear well-fitting, comfortable shoes that provide adequate support. Avoid tight or ill-fitting footwear, as they can lead to corns, bunions, and other foot problems. Rotate shoes. Don't wear the same pair of shoes every day. Rotate your shoes to allow them to air out and reduce the risk of developing foot odor and fungal infections. Choose moisture-wicking socks. Opt for socks made of natural, moisture-wicking materials like cotton or moisture-wicking blends to keep your feet dry and comfortable. Foot exercises. Perform exercises to strengthen your foot muscles and improve circulation. Simple exercises like toe curls and ankle circles can help. Proper foot hygiene. Keep your feet clean and dry. Avoid walking barefoot in public places, such as gym locker rooms, to prevent fungal infections. Foot support. Consider using orthotic insoles or arch supports if you have flat feet or other foot issues. These can help provide better support and reduce discomfort. Inspect your feet. Regularly check your feet for any cuts, blisters, sores, or signs of infection. If you notice any issues, consult a healthcare professional promptly. Now that you know all the key to achieving soft and healthy hands and feet, go ahead and treat yourself. Trust me, you deserve it. Don't forget that taking care of yourself is the ultimate act of self-love.